So, as you all know, I have mentioned which paint job we have to do on the bike. So, the paint on the bike is scaling off right over there. It was like this much whole piano black, and now it's like type of mud brown. So now we are going to take off the body parts of the bike and do that paint job again. Let's start doing our work. So we have to take off the body panels. So first of all, we will start from here. We will take off these nuts. So this is our toolkit. Now let's see which tool we need. So let's start doing. Lavdi. These nuts are taken off. Lavdi, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, the seat is out. We are going to take out the battery from this. Here you go. Like some kgs or some kilograms. Now we're going to take off the fins. Fins complete. Wow. Now we're going to take off the screws. Here we go, first attempt. Yes. This one is out. Finally. These are the panels that we have taken out, and this is the work half we have completed. Now we have to take out this whole structure. The steering is taken out. Now we are going to take the body to the painting place, and we are going to paint it in our house, not out of our house. So when we get the paint job ready, I will tell you. Okay? Stay connected. So we forgot to take off the light. If we didn't know the light was still here, it could be painted and no more be seen. We have disassembled the parts that we have to paint. Now I will show you. That's the body. This is the main structure, and these are the fins that are used to take out the hot heat of the engine. So, if you do not know how much liter this tank is, this tank totally holds 3 liters of petrol, and you can see in our most videos the quad was nice. Now see, like it is so dirty, even ants are crawling over here. So when we are going to wash it, we will show you the bike. It's in very bad conditions of dirt, dust and virus. So we will fix it and wash this and show you the result.